think government, people are now talking about smart cities. Ano ba yung smart city na yan?
Correct.
Uh, let's say,
And I think Davao is the first,
mm,
no? When Davao is the first smart city in the Philippines, I heard.
well, I maybe, but a city which has a huge implementation of IoT is Makati City.
Ah, yeah.
Makati City has lots of heat index sensors, air quality sensors. They now monitor the power in each and every Makati City building. They now know how much water is being used by each building. In fact, sabi nga ni Mayor Abby minsan, merong eskwela dyan, may public school dyan, walang nag-o-occupy pero lakas ng tubig. Yung pala, ang dami nakatap ng mga kapitbahay.